How to unhide the like count of a post on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to Instagram, then open it, and when your Instagram is opening, as you see here, you will find home. You will go to your profile and choose the picture that you want to unhide this. For example, this, as you say, you can see the number of likes. I will go here to this 3 point, click and click unhide like count, and as you see now I can see the numbers of likes on this post. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.